Hello everybody, hope you guys are doing well. So today we will be continuing our journey with Swift. We would be learning um so like in like we would be going on our journey in Swift UI. So in the previous lectures we have studied um about different types of view. However, those are yet not completed. I guess we were at lazy edge grid, and yeah, so I'll 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 complete those things. No need to worry about that. So um yeah, let's so the topic that we are basically going a bit ahead because I know um we are left to do. Oh, where was that now? So this is, yeah. So today we would be starting with control views, and then if there are different types of control views. Yes, first you have button chart. We'll see. Now the first control view that we are going to see today is button. So button is a pull-in view with a wide range of customization options to be presented to the user. The button can be just text or it can be both. Um, it can be an image, it can be a text, or it can be both combined. So, and remember, this is a push-in view. Now, push-in, sorry, this is a pull-in, so it will only take the size of the content and not take the entire screen size. So let's uh so let's create a new project and then let's do next. Let's keep this as test interface Swift UI. Okay, and then let's go to, oh, let's wait till this thing pops up. For the first time it takes time. Once it's up and ready, then we can go ahead. Okay, so um yeah, so this is ready, right? So then let's have a button. Okay. Now there are different versions of this is inside. Let's get rid of this padding. We don't want unnecessary feature. So let's have a V stack and let's have two buttons. So first is a button. This is, and then this is, let's see how it's defined now. If you go back and then let's do button. A button is something that, so this is a button, and then let's so if you go to this definition, drilling closures. Okay, so remember this button takes in two things. First will be a string, and the other will be a closure. Now that closure we are using the drilling 0 and putting it here. So this is basically what should happen when we click the button. So see, this is the text. Now the other way is to okay. Yeah, and yeah, here you can only pass a string, I guess. This kind of only takes a string. And then if you want to have a custom button, you go button, and then you go, oh no, let's, so now there is, yeah, button action label. So this is basically two functions, right? And so first what we do is you put this label down. So then you come here, and so once the label comes out, then just get rid of this pattern. We don't do this now. And now let's go add a text and say this is custom button. Now remember, now see, this now will become the last function, right? So again we can apply the trailing 0, get this thing out of the parameter, and then yeah. So then now this is basically what should happen when we click on this button. Oh, I haven't done that. Okay, so let's, and this is action, means is when you click certain something will happen, right? So that is what he means when he says action. Now there is something called as, let's separate these two stacks, right? So I mean, let's have a spacing inside the so let's pass this. Okay, and it's okay, that's now what. Now text composition, you can add more than one text view to a button and format them separately. So what he's saying is, if I have one more text inside, okay, I say text, and then this is new user, and then you go and do font, and let's say this is okay. Oh, see, now what has happened is, even though this label is one single element, um something has happened is, now let's change the foreground. This is color gray. So even though this is one single button, you can, why this is called text composition though? Are you saying something like text composition? We are using DeepSeek to debug our code, meaning text composition in SwiftUI button. Oh no, there is something in so then this is okay. Let's give it something. Let's do text composition in SwiftUI. Yeah, so text composition is basically where you can arrange or structure the text. Nothing rocket science here. So let's go ahead. Now what you can do is let's have three buttons, and then you can add various backgrounds and shadows to buttons to further customize. So each button can be further customized. So you get a button, you have a rounded thing, something, yeah, rounded rectangle, and then let's you know let's give this something background. So this is the V-stack. Yes, let's get rid of this. So I have a, now you remember, always go to the action level. I would say get the no, get the label outside, and we don't need action, right? So let it be as it is. So you come here, and then you do text. Let's yeah, that closure I'm not taking out because I don't have any action right now. So I have solid button, and let's let's give it a background is going to, oh no, background tasks, no, background, it's background, I had it, I guess, yeah. And then let's do color dot gray. Okay, so now this is very close to the border, right? Remember, uh, remember this text is kind of only taking that much space occupied by the content. So let's give it a padding on all sides, and then let's change this to purple. Let's change the text color as well. Wait. So yeah, purple. Then let's give this a foreground. Foreground foreground color, and then I guess it's only foreground. I can give it foreground style. Let's give it a foreground style. Oh, let's no. Why is okay? This is foreground style, and then this is color dot. Right, so that now it will be visible, and let's make this bold or something. Oh, yes. So let's make all. I'm going to make three buttons. So let's just make them dot title. Yeah, so the size will be a little bit bigger, and now we need to have this thing a bit rounded. So what we can do is let's now this is a square shape, right? So let's do clip shape, and then let's pass in rounded rectangle, and then let's have it like corner radius say 20. So now I have done it this way. Let's have one more of these. Control C, and then Control V. Oh yeah, this is. Let's go to copy. Let's have one more. Paste. Okay, and let's have one more. We will give it a shadow as well. So this is only solid button. Now this is going to be a button with shadow. So let's give it a B capital. B button with shadow, and we'll have to have that shadow, right? So you go not shadow, and then how much and how. Oh, let's see how is this shadow. So I have color, radius, and x and y. So I want color, radius, and x. So you come here. First is color, right? So you do color. Now which is it purple? Yeah, let's have it color dot. Let's have a comma here. So that it's not purple. Now let's give it a radius of say 20x and 20y, I guess. Yeah, y colon 20. So now this is a radial shadow, like in circular. It's not directly coming down. Now this is rounded button with rounded. So you come here. This is a rounded button with rounded ends. We need to have this background, and then here we're going to do something called as capsule. This is like fully rounded, and then in padding we're going to pass in edge insets, and then this is from how much. So top is 20 leading, then you have bottom 12, and trailing is what, 20. Why isn't this spreading the something which is not working? Let's see. Edge inside stop. Yeah, this is story. Has to be 12. It's still leading. It's 20. So what is this edge insets? Let's edge insets in system. So is this, so from top you have here, so what he's saying is basically, no, where is it? It's so no. The edge instance is a structure, and it is used to define padding or insets around the view. What is inset? Inset English meaning. So inset means surrounding this something. Surrounding. So from the top inset you do 20. Yeah, got it. So this is top 12, leading is 20. So I have from bottom. So I have top edge, bottom edge, leading and trailing edge. Is that what he's trying to say? Bottom, leading and trailing edge in Swift. Okay, so if you there is this. This is a good one. This is top. No. Top leading is up. I'm saying where is this is leading. This is the leading edge. This is bottom. Yeah, this is bottom leading. This is bottom, and this is trailing, I guess. Okay, so there are this is top trailing, top leading. This is bottom trailing, bottom leading. This is trailing. This is leading, and from here it's top missing. This is how alignment works in Swift. This is a good photo. I haven't got it, so okay. Now then, right now there is no border. So what we can do is we can add a border. So to add a border, we do stroke, and remember when the border has to be both of them have a bordering. So let's have two buttons, and then let's have kind of a border on them. So either you do, oh no, there are a couple of options if you're looking a way to add a border on a button. So one is you do make this like rounded rectangle, so you give it, and this width has to, and corner radius. So this is okay, so there are multiple ways you can. The one of the simple ways to give a border is you do dot what happened? Oh, it's taking time. So you go dot just yeah, it takes. Okay, let's dot bar. Let's see, where is this content view? Okay, it's bar. Wait, let it settle down. But is it working? Oh, it's taking time. Yeah, just give it 2-3 minutes. Is there some build that is already running? Screen is visible, right? Yeah. I don't know why it's taking so much time. Let's close it and open it. Yes. It's good. Let's just. Okay. Where's the preview? Pause. Okay. Mm. It takes. So you are trying to add a border, but this is suddenly gone out. Okay, yeah. Now we have it. Then now we come here. Okay, so you do it. Oh, too many. Okay, so you do that. Let's get rid of the caps. Why is it doing this? Let's do border. Okay, this is working. Second, just give me 1 minute, guys. So we are back. Okay. So then let's give it a border, and then we have content and width. So this content has to be a shape style, and then I need to give it a width. So let's come here. Let's give it a width of say certain, and then in content let's add a color. No, no, I don't want this. I want color dot gray. Will that come on? Yeah, so I have given solid borders, you can see here. Just making sure that's, yeah, I'm sharing. That's cool. Yeah. Okay, so this is the border that I've given. The width is 10. Now why that is content style. We will see that when we deal with gray color. We haven't. So this is one way of giving a border. The other way, there is one more way. You can get rid of all this stuff, and so give this a background, and then have a rounded rectangle, whose corner radius is 20, and no 10, and then give it strong, and this be color dot, can be any color, and then so what I have done is, if you go back, so right now this is going to occupy the entire content, right? And then I only need to have the border thing as, so the moment I do stroke, and then I do so stroke kind of limits to the outer side, I guess. What happened to DeepSeek? We are here. Let's close this. Stroke in. This is a modifier. Now what it's doing is, what does it do though? Stroke in SwiftUI. What does it do? Yeah, so what this is it kind of adds an out wait. Okay, so instead a stroke modifier is used to add an outline around a shape. It allows you to customize the, so this is basically appearing the outline of the shape. So when I do background, right, and then I have a rounded rectangle, so the shape is rounded rectangle. I'm kind of only highlighting the borders, just giving it an outline or a border. Okay, now let's add some symbols. So okay, so what we'll do is we'll have a button and then an SF symbol. Okay, so this is basically V stack. Okay, where is V stack is here. Oh, let's get rid of one. You have 3 buttons, right? I already need. This action is here. Gets in this background. And the last one I need a background, right? So this is the first is let's have text with SF. So you come here and then now we need an SF symbol, right? And now we need the SF symbol besides this. So just come add and I guess an H tag that will come. Okay, so if I do this like this is automatically going, or remember add the SF symbol one, the one that has system name. So come here, system, yeah, system name, and then gift. We need it to be filled. So okay, this is the first. Now let's give this something. So let's give this as a tint of purple. Let's define by this. So by default it's going to go side by side. There's no need to have an edge stack. So if you want to add a little bit, so add a little spacing, right? So I'm gonna do some padding. This is like an I've added some. What if I do vertical? And then I need to have it over here, I guess. Let's, yeah, so this is horizontal and vertical will be this side, right? So this is spaced, and then if I give this background, yeah, this hole is one this, right? So if you kind of keep this up, yeah, let's make this, let's have this something like pink. And then let's get rid of this padding. So let's make it a little bit lighter so right now you can see. What if I get rid of this? Okay. So this is now to add some space between here, since I have not mentioned edge track, right? I'm just going to do padding and then kind of just have padding. So by padding is this thing, this bar, and then this is going to be horizontal. This is pink. Font is lighter. This is the entire button, and then okay, so I mean it appears that it's kind of moving this thing, but Horizontal is sleeping, right? So if I do horizontal padding, where does it go though? Uh, uh, where is... No. It's a padding diagram. Yeah, this is... yeah. Uh, no, let's do padding diagram in Swift. How is the views looking? Uh, no, this is... If I do padding and then dot arrays. So where is this padding going though? Wait. What is on? Horizontal. Oh, so this is the view, right? So this is the horizontal axis. If I want to add only on the horizontal space between the text and the edges of the... So this thing, you kind of add padding over here. Let's just see all the stop bleeding and thing. Just give me 1 minute. So first we'll see all the different kinds of trailing edge and like how it's how these are spaced so that we have a very clear understanding when we start coding. Just let me see if my pencil is charged. Oh, it's 0. We haven't seen. Have you seen padding? No. Okay, so we are shadow. No, we haven't studied. So there is border. There is much more to this border rather than. Yeah, it's. Oh, so my pencil is ready now. Let's see if this is on. At times I forget to turn. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Okay, so we'll see all the different types of padding first. Um. So yeah, like we were studying with this padding modifier. Let's let's see. Default padding is. Mhm. Let's see how is view. Okay. Uh, let's go up and okay, padding dot. Okay, so first thing that we see is this is horizontal. Why is this? Yeah. So see horizontal. So um Is it? Top bridges leading and I should get a better image now. So I get bottom is okay. Leading and trailing edge. So this is how a view looks like in, if you see in padding or something. This is going to be a very big content. Okay. So this is suppose the center of the view. Let's. This is view center, and then this is the width of the view. Let's have a purple or something. Now when I say left or leading, it's how what is leading bottom? This is but the edge is far right. There is something missing. I feel this system. So the way that text view is, there are two boxes. He's saying. Text view in iOS. So how is the text container? Uh, why is leading inside top? Okay, I get now what he's saying. This is the width, right? And this is vertical. So this is horizontal. And then this is, if you add one more of this. Mm, this is, let's increase this size. This is the leading one. So in left to right, leading edge is left and trailing is right. Um, is horizontal, adding and oh yeah, so only this side padding is applied. This is the leading edge. And this is the trailing one. Um, this is so you have padding only on this section. The horizontal has both leading and um, this is both leading and this is top. So if I come from here, I say I'm coming from top. Uh, this is now let's this is I have four things, right? So I can have so this is bottom and this is bottom trailing, right? Bottom trailing is going to be from this side, from the bottom. When you use padding only on the trailing edge, right in the LTR and R. Okay, so this is, remember, trailing is dependent upon how the language is written. Okay, this gives us like a fair idea of what trailing, what lagging is. So now let's come back. Okay, so where we are. Okay, so yeah, we had to. Okay, and now we need to add some space here, and some when we add this is going to spread out, I guess. So if I do dot re, no, not comma dot. Yeah, it's going to spread that out in horizontal direction. Is the size changing, I guess? So this is without. Let's see. No. Let's see without padding. It's this. This. So now we are going to add here and here. So if I do, the size will change. If I do padding, it appears that ad has moved, but in reality, only padding has been come. So this is horizontal. Perfect. Now let's turn this off. And let's I'm streaming, right? Okay. Okay, that's all for this lecture. We'll continue with buttons and the next one. Thanks.